Oust. To force someone to leave a job or position. The manager was ousted from his job. They tried to oust the leader from power. Partisan. Strongly supporting one side, group, or team. He gave a partisan opinion and supported only his side. The debate became partisan, with people taking sides. Malign. To say unfair and bad things about someone. They tried to malign his reputation with false stories. She was often maligned online by strangers. Mollify. To make someone feel less angry or upset. She tried to mollify the angry customer. His apology helped mollify her. Gist. The main or most important idea. I understood the gist of the story. Tell me the gist of the meeting. Gourmet. Very high quality food, or a person who loves fine food. They served gourmet meals at the restaurant. He is a gourmet who enjoys trying special foods. Dispensation. Special permission to do something. He got a dispensation to leave school early. She got a dispensation to miss the meeting. Ostentatious. Showing off wealth or success too much. He drove an ostentatious car. Her ostentatious lifestyle impressed no one. Lucrative. Making a lot of money. He found a lucrative job that paid well. The business became lucrative and earned a lot of money. Ludicrous. Very silly or ridiculous. His excuse sounded ludicrous. The idea seemed ludicrous. Lugubrious. Looking or sounding very sad. He had a lugubrious expression. Her voice sounded lugubrious. Magnanimous. Kind and generous, especially after winning or being successful. She was magnanimous after winning and praised her opponent. He gave a magnanimous response and stayed kind. Malleable. Easy to change or influence. Young children are malleable and learn quickly. His opinions were malleable and changed easily. Meticulous. Very careful and paying attention to details. She is meticulous about her work. He made a meticulous plan. Minuscule. Extremely small. The insect was minuscule. They found a minuscule crack. Galvanize. To encourage people to take action. The speech galvanized the crowd. The news galvanized the team. Garnish. To decorate food with something extra. She garnished the salad with herbs. The chef garnished the dish beautifully. Loquacious. Talking a lot. My loquacious friend loves conversations. She became loquacious at the party. Dazzling. Very bright, beautiful, or impressive. She wore a dazzling dress. The fireworks were dazzling. Gullible. Easy to trick or fool. He was gullible and believed the lie. Gullible people often trust strangers too easily. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.